Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757. About to show you something quite amazing. You can't make this up. We haven't even taken out the spark plug, and check that out. It has so much oil in it. It is full down there. This is from the valve cover gasket. If you see this, you must change the valve cover gasket because you are going to make it. You're going to make it misfire 100%. And nothing you're going to do except changing the valve cover gasket will change this. This is just a. You hear the noise. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.